Today, I'm at the National University of Management here in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. It's one of the most well-known schools for businesses here. So in this video, I thought I'd take you guys around and check out the campus together. But without further ado, let's just jump right into it. What is your name and what do you do here on campus?
Okay, hello, good afternoon. My name is Sao Porn. Yeah, and I'm a lecturer here.
Okay.
And teach how's it called? Khmer traditional class, cultural class.
Cultural.
Yeah.
This is literally my first experience here on this campus. What is this university known for?
This is National University of Management. So in here we teach a lot of management major, many law, business, marketing, and other stuff more.
Okay, I see. Did you attend the school as a student or did you?
Yeah. I went here since 2019.
Oh wow, that's so awesome that you got to come back and work at your university.
Yes, I teach in Khmer, not English, so my English is not that good.
Yeah, I think your English is perfect right now.
Okay, thank you.
A lot of people in Cambodia, especially in Phnom Penh, they actually know really well English.
Oh yeah, kind of maybe 70-80% of it.
I think so, yeah. Is there something you would recommend to maybe current students attending here or maybe students thinking about coming here? What's some advice you would give them?
Oh, okay. So if you're just after graduation, for in here we study till 12th grade.
Okay.
So for students who try to look for management class,
yeah,
such as business marketing and stuff law, something related to management, I think I would love to recommend you to come study in here. The school called National University of Management and the shortcut of it is NIM.
Okay.
In here we call NIM.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time.
Okay.
Is there anywhere you recommend I walk around campus and get to see it?
So this is we call building A.
Building A.
Yeah,
okay.
it's entrance for the school.
Sure.
I think this building is for how's it called, international students.
Okay.
In here we also have exchange students from Cambodia to a lot of countries in the world too,
I
such
see.
as France, USA,
Yeah.
England, and Singapore. Somewhere a lot of cities.
Am I allowed to walk inside the buildings
Yeah,
as
you can.
Oh really?
Everyone can walk inside the school, so it's fine.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. I appreciate your time.
Yeah,
I hope you have a good day,
thank
okay? Literally perfect timing. As I finished my intro, one of the instructors walked by, so she was really knowledgeable. Thank you again. And she said that I can actually walk into the campus, so let's go check out the school on the inside of the buildings. Can I ask you a question? What are you doing here today?
Today I work as a front desk
Okay.
and to share information. Everyone who interested in major of English, you can come here and ask me the information.
Oh, is that what these students are doing right here?
Yeah,
Okay.
we work at the front desk and share information for our major that we.
Okay, so your major is English.
Yes.
Okay, how long have you been a student here?
I'm currently year 4 student.
Year 4.
Yes.
Awesome. How was your experience at the university here? Good?
I as my experience study here, so I will pick up the main point. In PA of English, we study with the foreigner teachers.
Okay.
Yes. So I think it is really interesting in our major. Yeah. And also for our new update program, we have the IELTS preparing test. So I think everybody know about the IELTS test, and it is known as the international. So
The IELTS, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I've heard of it, talked a lot about in Cambodia, so it's something really important, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I thank you for your time. I hope you have a good day. I just got here, so I'm excited to check out your campus. It looks really nice from the outside so far. Okay. What was your name again? I'm sorry.
Nita.
Nita.
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you. I can't say it enough. People, students, doesn't matter where you are in Cambodia, they're so nice. And they're really willing to engage, even if there might be a little bit of a language barrier. Obviously hers was really good. She's an English student, but it just shows how people are willing in a country where English isn't the main language, that they're willing to learn another language. And that's something that we as Americans can learn. So I found the sign, it says Farm Café. I think we're gonna have to climb these stairs right here to go find it. Guys, check me out. I feel like a student with my little tray right here. Take me back to Rowan University, right? I'm glad you recommended this because it's pretty hot out right now and this looks really refreshing. Looks like it has actual rose in it too, so good job. But now we gotta give it a taste test. Ooh, that's nice and refreshing. People don't like rose flavors all the time, but I think rose is like an undervalued taste. So if you guys are in the campus area, I recommend this for real. I think I found the library here. It says reading room. Hopefully I'm not going to be disturbing too many people. I'll try to be quiet and just kind of show you the vibe of the place. Library.
Yes, library.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you. Oh wow, so this is a Cambodian University library. This is so nice to see. Look at that. I can read this. Let's see. McGraw Hill is out here in Cambodia. That is wild. Wow. This really takes me back. What is your name?
My name Ho Siêu Mai.
Ho Si Mai.
Yes.
Were you student at this university before?
No. Before I cannot study at Phnom.
Oh.
Yes. I study before Asirop.
I understand.
Yes.
Okay. How long have you been working in the library?
2 years.
Wow, that's so awesome. I love the library. I think I'm in like the courtyard right now, but I really like the buildings around here. This is so cool. And there's like a lot of students behind me just kind of enjoying the nice weather. The thing is, I'm walking around here on campus, but I'm seeing like these little like rooms, offices, I'm not sure. This one's called Department of Foreign Languages. I'm not sure if I can go in there, so I'm gonna politely go to the door and see if I can go inside and record. Oh, okay, looks like I can. Hello. Is it okay if I record in here? It looks like I'm getting taken to see somebody in a different office now. If Chipmunk is watching, I want you guys to sponsor me because I love Chipmunk products, you know, like Kamai beverages, like ice or like the energy drinks is really good here in Cambodia.
I'm a fan of Viking as well.
Viking?
Yeah. The green, small. And
Yes. Chipmunk, let's talk, please. Since I have you here, what is your name?
My name is Ratana.
And what do you do here on campus?
I'm a staff member of Faculty of Foreign Languages.
I see. Were you a student at this university
Yes,
before?
yes, of course.
Okay, how was your experience as a student?
It was very good.
Yeah.
And I studied from bachelor through master degree here.
I'm jealous. You're a master, huh? I only have my bachelor's, so
But,
one day when I grow up, I want to be a master like you.
Yeah, but a master in a business field.
Yeah. What would you say to a new student coming to this university? Any advice for them?
I think my advice should be maybe they can enjoy study here with great lecturers.
Yeah.
Who happen to have a lot of teaching experience.
Yeah.
So I think they will have a good time here.
It's really important, the university's environment, yeah? Like if the teachers are gonna actually want to teach the students and the students want to learn,
Yes.
it really is a good relationship, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, I'm glad I got to meet you.
Yeah.
So far I'm having a really good time, and I guess I'm gonna meet, who am I waiting to meet?
The Y rector, one of the Y rectors.
One of the directors.
Y rectors.
Y rectors.
Yes.
Okay.
Your student?
Hello, how are you? I'm getting to meet so many people. What is your name?
My name is Purasukomani, but you can just call me Yui.
Yui. All right. And then what are you doing here today, Yui?
I was working as a volunteer in the front desk.
Okay.
To help students get admissions.
Understand. And what are you trying to have them sign up for?
Global entrepreneurship and innovation.
All right. And is this a new major here on the campus?
It wasn't like fairly like new, but it was around since 2014.
Understand. And you're a student of this major?
Yeah, just year one going to year two.
Okay. Understand. What has been your best experience here on campus so far?
The people and the friendly staff and my lecturers.
Yeah.
Best.
I've honestly been seeing that firsthand. The instructors behind you, actually, they're a little camera shy, but they actually been really nice to me here. Is there any advice you would give to a future student coming to this university?
I would say that if you like to explore and you like to be creative and you like to have your own startup and be new,
Yeah.
I would recommend Global Entrepreneurship and Innovation. It wasn't well known in Cambodia as a thing, but I've seen a lot of students questioning like, oh, how is this different from any other business majors? And I just want them to let them know that it's very much so very different, and it's open up to more exploration and adventures.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That's awesome to hear. I do have one silly personal question. What is your favorite Cambodian food?
My favorite Cambodian food, Chalok Lat. It's beef fried, and it has like tomatoes, it has lettuce, and it was the best.
Is it like Lok Lok plus, like more than regular?
Regular Lok Lak is
Oh,
fine.
okay.
Anything my mom made is good.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I appreciate your time,
Okay.
and I hope you guys get to check out the campus here because it's been really fun. All right. Thank you. Is this your boss, right here?
One of the professor, like lecturer or something.
Oh, okay. Is there anything you would like to say to students thinking about coming to this university?
So we are a public university.
Yeah.
So we are one of the 4 biggest public university in Cambodia.
Oh.
So
wow.
we have both national program
Yeah.
and international program. Yeah.
Okay.
And currently I am responsible for the supply chain management program, bachelor degree.
Sure.
Yeah. And now we are operating for 2 years already. Yeah. So I would like to say you can come and join us at NUM.
Yeah.
We are very famous in Cambodia, and also you can trust.
Well, what is the benefits of a student enrolling in your program?
So for international program, basically you will have something called exchange program, summer program, dual degree program.
Sure.
We have many corporations right now. Yeah, all around the world, especially in the Europe, and some would be in Japan, Korea, and China, of course.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
and in the Southeast Asia region, like Indonesia, Philippines, Malaysia, Singapore. Yeah.
Okay. Wow. I mean, I feel jealous. Maybe if I was a little bit more younger, I would come to Cambodia to study, but I appreciate your time. Could you remind me your name again?
My name is Somitia.
Okay. And then I have a really silly question. What is your favorite food in Cambodia?
Favorite food? To me, I prefer some lok coco.
Some la coco? Yeah.
It's a mixed vegetable. Yeah, very famous.
You have really good taste.
Yeah,
All right, thank you so much. I appreciate your time. What is your name?
My name is Kanya, and I'm years 4 student at National University of Management, and my faculty is for Faculty of Foreign Languages.
Awesome, nice to hear. What has been your favorite experience on university so far?
Like my favorite experiences and the things that I love about my university is about teachers. They are very nice, and the program is very well, and about environment, it's very good and neat.
You know, I'm going to be honest, I met maybe 3 or 4 of your teachers. They're actually really, really nice. It's so important for that relationship, student and teacher.
Yeah.
They care about their jobs, and then if the students care about their education, it's going to be a really good balance. Is there any advice you would give to a student thinking about joining your major?
I think that Faculty of Foreign Languages also is the best choice for you to join us because we have a lot of good teachers, kind and helpful teachers, such as native speakers or native teachers from foreigners, and also we have Cambodian teachers as well. Even though all the teachers are Cambodian or foreign teachers, they are nice and they try to understand us very well.
Yeah.
Moreover, we also have some class like ICT that include Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint as well. Also, we have at year 4, semester 1, we also have IELTS preparation. For those who want to have an IELTS test, they should join us as well. Yeah.
So I'm from the United States. IELTS isn't something we normally talk about. What is IELTS?
IELTS is a test that we need if someone like us, Cambodia people, they usually want to go to abroad, Australia or US or anything else. They need IELTS test to let them go there in order to apply scholarship, or even though they didn't apply scholarship, they need to apply IELTS as well as they can, so that they can go there.
Okay, so it's basically like a verification that you have enough English language skills.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. As an American, I feel very fortunate because it comes natural, you know.
Yeah.
And then I have one last silly question for you. What is your favorite Khmer food?
My favorite Khmer food is amok. Of course, amok is like our signature food
Yeah.
for Cambodia.
Fish amok or chicken amok?
Chicken, of course.
You're the first person to say it in a while. I ask this question a lot. People tend to say fish.
Because I don't love fish.
Oh, wow. Are you sure you're Khmer?
Yeah,
All right. Well, thank you for your time. You have a really beautiful campus. And, you know, I just hope you guys get to come out here and visit it yourself. Thank you. Guys, this is a really unique experience. They're inviting me to their English lab to speak to some of their students. Okay, let's go in. Oh, God.
Hello.
Oh, hello. I hear you're an American.
Yes, I'm American.
Oh, my fellow American is here. What is your name, sir?
Steve Barker.
Where are you from, Steve?
Maryland.
Oh, I'm from New Jersey.
I'm originally from New Jersey. What part of Jersey?
Currently, I live in Glassboro, New Jersey, but I grew up in Bordentown, New Jersey.
Okay, southern part.
Yes, where are you from?
Linden and Elizabeth.
Okay, this is a really important American history. New Jersey, we love each other, but there's a rivalry, north and south. The south is better than the north.
No. North is better than the south.
All right, and then
We're from New York, you're from Philadelphia.
yeah, I guess. Can I ask you why you're in Cambodia?
Well, I like teaching English, and I love Cambodia. I came here in 2024, and I just think it's a wonderful country.
Oh, you recently came out here.
Yeah, about 2 years ago.
Okay. And what were you doing in the States before you came to Cambodia?
I was an English teacher, and I retired, and I wanted to travel and see the world. So
Yeah.
here I am.
Hello, world. Well, since you're here, is there any recommendations you might give to a future student thinking about coming to this university?
Think positively about coming here. Think positively about studying English here. You have a very welcoming faculty and a great environment. The students are wonderful,
Yeah.
and they welcome each other and help each other.
Of course. And then one last silly question. What is your favorite Cambodian food?
Prohak?
Prohak.
Prohak.
Okay.
Prohak.
All right. Hey, that's a good choice. All right. Well, thank you for your time, sir.
My pleasure.
I appreciate it. Hello. What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Hensley.
And why are you at this university?
Because I feel like the university here, I mean, the environment here is good, and the teachers are very welcoming.
Yeah.
Like when I first come here, like the people who give the information in front, they're very friendly and
Yeah.
they are very helpful. That's why I choose here.
Understand. Are you originally from Phnom Penh, or did you come from somewhere different?
I'm originally here.
Okay, cool. And then, is there any advice you would give to a future student thinking about attending this university?
I think they should like come here to ask for information first. Like
Yeah.
it doesn't matter for the school name or not. Like they should come here and ask for more information or to take the test.
And you know, I'm really shocked. I've been speaking to yourself. I spoke to your fellow professor here. People speak really good English here, so you guys really do have a great curriculum. But yeah, thank you for your time. And then I do have to ask you the silly question as well. What is your favorite Khmer food?
Amok taray.
Fish amok, there you go. Are you curious what my favorite is?
Sorry,
Do you know what my favorite Khmer food is?
is that Rohok as well?
No, it's akao tanao. All right, thank you for your time. Thank you, girls. Wow, how lucky of me I got to speak to a professor and some students. The National University of Management here in Phnom Penh really shocked me with their hospitality here. The staff cares about the students care about their education. If I could go back in time and be a student again, I think I would want to come to a school like this. Regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.